Friends, we'll try to explore all the menu options which are available on your Google Sheets. So those are File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extension, and Help. So let's explore each of the menu options one by one, and we'll further explore the options which are available in those menus. To start up with, we start with File, New, Spreadsheet. Now, what it will do is, as soon as you click on Spreadsheet, it will create a new blank Google Sheet which you can use to update your data or input any kind of analysis. Another option that we have is from Template Gallery. Now Google has a lot of predefined templates which you can use to make your work a bit simpler. Suppose I click on monthly budget and it will just open that template for me. Pretty cool. That's great. All these files that are being created would be directly stored on your Google Drive. So if you go to your Google Drive, you can see the monthly budget which was created has been stored on your Google Drive. So that's in your My Drive folder. Let's get back to I love Google Sheets. File. Again, the next option after new is open. Now you can click on this open, or you can use Ctrl O as a shortcut key to open this pop-up box which will help you to open a file. Now open is used to open an existing file on your drive or on your computer, or any kind of file which has been shared with you by your colleagues or by your managers. Yeah. So let's explore all these options which are available on open. So recent will open all the recent files which I had opened recently. Yeah. If I go to my drive, it will list down all the files which are listed on my drive as of now. Yeah. So you can see the monthly budget which has been available on my drive, which is shown here. So I can open that file. So what I have to do is, so if I close this file as of now, I try to open it from here. So I say click on monthly budget, I say open, so it will open that file. Yeah. Let me get back to the open options again. From my drive, we have checked this. Shared with me. This will list down any kind of files which is shared by your colleagues with you. We'll explore the share options which is available on the right hand corner, as we have seen during our first tutorial about what are the various options available on Google screen. So we'll check the sharing options as well. How we can share it with your colleagues or your friends or your manager. Yeah, anyone who has an email ID, you can share your file with them. Yeah, with certain rights. We'll check that too. So we'll just move ahead with that right now. Start. So any file that you have marked at start. So suppose I have two files right now. I love Google Sheets and monthly budget. So I feel monthly budget is an important file which I should never miss. I want to mark it very important and should be available even if I have hundreds or thousands of files in my drive. So I'll just right click on monthly budget, mark this as add to start. So you can see a small star appearing besides the file name. Now once you go back to the open file, you can see the monthly budget has appeared in the start option, which was not there earlier. Yeah. Same way, You can open files from computer, from your desktop, or you can upload files from your desktop. So if you do not have a file or you have an Excel file which is not on your Google Drive, you can directly open it from here, or you can open it from your network drives anywhere. Yeah. So you can choose a file which is supposed to be open. So I have chosen performance matrix Excel model. I have chosen it to get open. So you can see performance matrix Excel model has been uploaded onto my drive. Now if I go to file, open, and you can see my drive. So you can see this file which is available, and now I can open that file. Yes. Same way we have import option. So import also have the same thing as we have selected. So if I want to import a particular file into this file, so suppose I want to open this performance matrix or the monthly budget file that I have on my system. So right now I click on performance matrix, I'll say select, and I'll say import. So it will ask me to create a new spreadsheet or insert new sheet. So it will insert a new sheet here or replace my existing. So I'll create a insert new sheet. So it will insert a new sheet into the existing opened file that is available. So you see I have said, so my file is already here. I love Google Sheet, and there is a new sheet which has got inserted from the previous file. Yes. So I'll delete the files sheet as of now because we do not require it. So I'll say delete. Okay. Let's explore our import options once again. So we have imported a particular file onto a sheet by creating a new sheet altogether. You can import it from your drive. You can import it from any of the files that has been shared with you. Yeah, or any of the recent files that has been available on your system. Or the last option that you can do is upload it from your local computer or any of the devices connected to your computer. So I can select a device, check for some files, select that file, and I'll say open and import it. Yeah. So this is how you explore or get your various files from various devices, various location, and open it on Google Sheet. Now suppose I have this sheet and I want to make some changes, but I want to keep my master sheet as it is. I do not want to disturb my master sheet. So I'll create a copy of a sheet. So I'll click on file and create make copy. So it'll ask me to save in certain drive. So I select my drive itself. Right now I do not want to create in any other folders. I'll create I love Google Sheets as copy file. Yeah, I create, if you want to share it with the same people that this file is already being shared with, we'll check that as well. And if you want to copy the comments as well from your existing files. Right now I do not want to do anything like this. I'll just create a copy of this file. I'll say make a copy, and you see there is a new file is being created, yeah, with the same contents from my previous file. Yes. And other thing that you can see is it is saved on the same folder or my drive. You can see this, I love Google Sheets copy file. So it is getting saved on the same folder in which my file existed. If I do not change the folders, if I would have changed the folders, then it would have got saved in the folder which I have selected. So I will close this file as of now, and we'll go through the options. So what we saw is new, file new, open, import, make copy.